Today we will be discussing the Indian philosophical system and the Indian religious cults and the influence of Shakti cult on the whole system. Now, as it is well known that in the Indian philosophical system there were 6 systems altogether. That's why it is known as Shadadarshan, starting from Mimamsa, ultimately going into the Vedantic system. Now, generally it is the discussion on the philosophical intricacies that one is generally familiar with. But another story, relatively unaddressed, is the influence of Shakti cult on the whole system as well as the religious cults, particularly all the religions like Jainism, Buddhism, then Vaishnavism, Shaivism, and ultimately Shaktism itself. How this was shaping up, particularly during this period between say 600 AD to 1200 AD, which will be our main temporal space that we will be dealing upon.
Excuse me, sir. Can one find this cult of Shakti in Buddhism also?
Right. This will be a very important aspect which we can ponder upon, because originally Gautama Buddha or Tathagata, he was arguing for a kind of situation where, though there is a transmigration, karma is the ultimate goal. It is one's karma which leads to the transmigration, and if one performs the right deeds, ultimately one can extricate himself or herself from this transmigration of life. But basically he was against the concept of soul. That's why it is Niratmavadi, and it is a kind of atheist religion, a very peculiar kind of religion where the role of God is not very important. It is an individual who is performing some deeds through which one will extricate oneself out from this mundane world. Now, this was the original position of Hinayan, the lesser vehicle. But by say 2nd or 3rd century AD, there was a transmutation, or you can say a complete mutation of the original principle, and in the Mahayana, that is the greater vehicle, the propounders of this philosophy, it was not only a division of organization, but it was very important debate on the esoteric principles on the basis of which Buddhism stands. There, in Mahayana principle, we find a new concept coming, that is of Bodhisattva. If Buddha is so compassionate that he has left his own family and trying to find answer for the sufferings of the humankind, and not only humankind, the whole world, how can he be so selfish that he attains nirvana and goes out of this mundane world once and for all? So the concept of Bodhisattva comes, who has the capability of transcending this mundane world, but comes again and again till the date when the last person, or the last, not only the human being, the whole world is liberated from this misery. And with this concept of Bodhisattva, there were other changes taking place which was bringing the esoteric world and the mundane world together, where we find the tantric principle or the Shaktic principle, the female creative principle, becoming very important even for the Buddhist philosophy, how it was taking place.